guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are continuing along with the breakfast items. So I'm going to be showing you guys today how I make my version of a breakfast style hot dogs or breakfast sausage, fried up hot dogs, whatever you choose to call it. This video I'm going to be showing you guys my version of it. So let's just jump straight into this video because it's going to be super short and a super quick and delicious recipe for you guys to follow along with. What we need for our Trini style breakfast sausage recipe, guys, pretty straightforward stuff. In Trinidad we use the term sausage and hot dogs pretty much interchangeably. So I'm going to be using hot dogs in this particular recipe. I'm going to be using some ketchup, some pimento for some flavor, or if you don't have access to pimento, serrano peppers can work, garlic, carrot, sweet pepper, onion, margarine or butter, or you can use oil, and I'm going to be adding some of the cajun products, cajun seasoning, just for some extra flavor. So I'm going to basically start off by chopping up all the ingredients. So you can chop it up fine or chunky if you want, really depends on you and you know which one you prefer. I'm just going to chop them up really fine, all of them, the sweet pepper, onion, the garlic and the pimento. For the hot dogs I'm going to be slicing them sort of in a diagonal sort of way so that they have this nice look to them. You don't have to, of course, you know, you can slice it up regular, like just regular way, but I'm just going to be doing it to give it a little nicer sort of look. And I didn't mention cayenne pepper, but I'm going to be adding just a little bit of heat. Of course, this is totally optional. You can eliminate it, especially I know some people may not want the heat for breakfast, so this is all up to you. So to start off, all I'm going to be doing is adding the butter or the margarine to a pan. If you're using the oil, you're just going to add the oil to a pan, and we're going to keep it on low medium heat. When the butter or the margarine is nicely melted, I'm going to be adding in the onion, the garlic, pimento and the sweet peppers. So I'm just going to cook that for about 1 to 2 minutes or so, just until the onions are nice and tender and the sweet peppers are almost cooked through. And then we're going to be adding in our ketchup. We're going to stir it up a bit, and right after that we're going to be adding the sliced hot dogs. So you want to mix it up nicely, keep your heat on low medium heat still, and the hot dogs are not going to take too long to cook, so you can leave it about 2 to 3 minutes or so max, and just stir it, keep stirring. When it's almost finished or just about finished, I am going to be adding the cajun seasoning and the cayenne pepper. Give that a quick stir, quick mix, and you've got yourself your Trini style breakfast sausage, guys. Easy like that. And just to finish this off, what you can do is just garnish it with some chopped up side. This is one of the easiest and one of the quickest breakfast items you can make. So like I said, we use the words sausage and hot dogs interchangeably. So like you saw, I used hot dogs, but if you want to switch up and use the sausage, by all means go right ahead. So the hot dogs are usually kept in the freezer, so I would just let it thaw out a little bit and then I cook it. There's no boiling before, just straight into the pot with the butter or the oil, your vegetables or ketchup, some of that Cajun seasoning in there, and you've got yourself a delicious sausage breakfast idea. So don't forget to check out the potatoes I would have done in the previous video. Another delicious breakfast idea for you guys to try out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super short and super quick but delicious breakfast item. Do give it a try out, of course. When you do try it out, don't forget to send me those photos. And for those of you who are new to the channel and have not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to share it with all your friends and your family, and I will be seeing you all in my next video.